Chesapeake, Virginia, welcome to one of my all-time favorite neighborhoods, Berkshire Plantation. We're going to do a walkthrough of one of the most stunning houses in the neighborhood. This 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,800 square foot home has been completely remodeled. In Chesapeake, this neighborhood is absolutely one of the best, and it's got the best school districts. So as a Great Bridge alum, I'm not biased at all, but yes, it does have one of the greatest school districts there is. So we are super easy to get to anything from right here. So you are at the foot of the 168 bypass. So if you want to scoot on down to Nags Head, you're an hour away. But if you want to get to any of your jobs, I mean, you're 20 minutes from Norfolk, you're 30 minutes to the ocean front max, 23 if you're me. If you've ever been behind me before, you know that's a fact. But the greatest thing about neighborhoods like this is you've got super wide roads, you've got nice sidewalks everywhere, and the really great things, these are all custom built homes. So you're not cookie cutter. These houses are absolutely spectacular. They're nice and big, but they're built to the highest standards. But when you come into this house, we've done everything for you already, so there's nothing for you to do with this house. So you'll see this house is spectacular, and this may not be a new build, but everything is ready for you. So when you're walking into this house, you're not gonna find anything, not anything that you need to do. So we've got a new roof, we've got great, beautiful, newer windows, we've got great HVAC systems already for you. We've got, everything, water heater, all of it. We've got newer, like you'll see the floors, everything, which we're gonna discuss right now. This home is absolutely exquisite. So we are 3,800 square feet. We are 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths. So you will see we're starting out with cathedral ceilings. So we have completely updated this home to 2026. We have gorgeous LVP floors throughout this entire downstairs of this house. We have painted throughout the entire house, making this absolutely beautiful. So you will see here that you have this first room here that you can do anything with it. They had this room as an office, but it's a great sitting room here. So we have it beautifully staged, so you can just imagine yourself in this house. So over here, you're gonna have your dining room. And one thing this home does not lack is storage. There's storage everywhere that you could possibly imagine. So you have a great dining room here that will easily fit a table of 10, 12 people in here. So when you walk through, you're going to have a nice, huge open area. And you do not want to miss the backyard. I think I'm gonna say that a ton of times because it's just tremendously big. And a thing that a lot of people are looking for right now is that living space that will host, another generation. And we do have that here because we do have that first floor living space where you have the first floor bedroom. So, and another thing that I love about this first floor bedroom is if you're not using it as a bedroom, it is really great as a playroom or another office, but I really, really like it as a playroom, because you can kind of close it off and shut away the toys, but it's also great if you really need a quiet, closed off office space too. But I love this great open space here. And I love the built-in bookshelves that are all around here because I just really like displaying, pictures and everything. And one thing I really, really like doing with my bookshelves is at Christmas time. And I always say the perfect house is a house that you can find that is your Christmas house. And, I love putting my Christmas tchotchkes all throughout during, Christmas and displaying all of them here. It's just so much fun. But it's also great to put some of your pictures of the kids and some really cute little things here. It makes it really, really nice. There is all sorts of ways to get out back in this house. But right here, you're not going to want to miss, like I said, this freaking backyard. Because not only do we have a huge back porch that, oh my gosh, has an amazing fireplace, but you also have a screened-in porch. So on those buggy nights, you have a great place to relax and sit. But this has one of the most private, largest backyards. But it's not too large. So if you're that person that doesn't want to cut 3-4 acres, but you want a private, amazing backyard, this is your house, people. This is it. You found it. So, and this has always been one of my favorite neighborhoods. You know, I always love this neighborhood. I compare it to the neighborhood that I live in because it's the same builders. This is quality build. To get an all brick house, they don't build them today. So, you know, and it always cracks me up. The price point of this house is amazing. You know, they're building hardy plank and vinyl siding houses for the price of this house today. I mean, let's go back to the 3 little pigs, people. Huffing you puffing, you can't blow down some brick. So we got a brick house here. You know, you got a brick house. Sorry, had to add that in. She's mighty, mighty. I'm sorry. You gotta have some fun. So we have added brand new quartz countertops, and it is beautiful quartz countertops. And you know, you got a gorgeous island. You can have a little bit of fun in this kitchen. You know, hey, I'm feeling a little feisty today, if you have not noticed, but you know, hey, let's have some fun with Betsy. You have the most, our cabinets are absolutely gorgeous in here. These are all wood cabinets, so not the cheap vinyl cabinets, all beautiful wood cabinets in here. So your appliances are extremely high-end, very, very nice, gorgeous appliances in here. They all do convey with your home. So you do have a nice big pantry in here. So you also, lovely things, the deep, deep, deep stainless steel sink here. So our windows are super, super high-end too here that you can see. I mean, very, very, very nice windows. That's always big. So some of the quality things that you want. Brand new roof. That is a huge, huge thing. Because when you're looking for a house, that is one thing that you always want to check off your list, is that you're not going to have to put a new roof on. Brand new roof. Check, check. So 2 ways up to the upstairs. That is one of my favorite things, is to have a double staircase. I'm sure it's a lot of kids' favorite things too, because they can chase each other, and you know, but that's not the reason I love that. But so nice sized garage in here. And one thing that I'll tell you that a lot of people don't know is, you know, the crawl space access being in your garage is spectacular because it keeps out the vermin. So, you know, when it's not an access from the outside where your crawl space door can fall off and all that kind of stuff, you keep the crawl space really nice. By the way, our crawl space is perfect. We've already got a nice clear letter for our crawl space. Another phenomenal check. Check, check. You got a mop sink out here. You know, obviously we have a nice, great sprinkler system. You couldn't have that beautiful lawn that you're about, you know, that you've seen, you're about to see more of, if we didn't have a great sprinkler system. So nice eating kitchen area. You'll see this great sunlight coming through here. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is your first floor bedroom. Beautiful, beautiful new carpet in here. This does have a really, really nice sized closet in it. So this would be a great bedroom if you did have in-laws or anything staying here. But again, this is a great playroom. This is a great office space, anything like that. You do have a pocket door here coming in to the full bathroom here. But this is also, like I said, I mean, this is your bathroom for your downstairs. So if you needed to use this for an office or anything, this is great because this does free up this bathroom for your downstairs bath. So we are going to go up the front stairs because I like to see the house always the way a lot of people would actually view it by going up those front stairs. You know, I actually really do like this I would probably use as my little coffee station. I think it's super, super cute. I know a lot of people will probably use it for still, you know, maybe their, you know, bill paying station or something like that. But I think it's such a cute coffee station. And I do love this because I mean, if you have littles, just think they're going to come home and do all of their homework up here or watch you cook or anything like that. This is such a cute little area. So, coming up the stairs, because we still have a lot of house to cover, and I feel like I'm going slow. I got to take my shoes off, not just because it's carpet, because you will see me fall up the stairs, and you would see Betsy's booty in this one because, you know, I'm going to fall up the stairs. So, we have gorgeous, gorgeous new carpet. I usually don't do the primary first, so we're not going to. We probably should have come up the other set of stairs. Let's just go ahead and do the primary first. Okay, so this primary is amazing. I mean, you could do gymnastics in this sucker. I'm not going to do them for you because I have a dress on. Wouldn't be pretty. Well, maybe it would. I actually would probably get a ton of likes on my YouTube. You know, comment below if you'd like to see me do some somersaults. I'm kidding. So you see tons of light in here. You have a nice, beautiful sitting area in here. You have a gas log fireplace that absolutely works. We know it because we've made it work. Gorgeous tray ceiling in here. Beautiful spa bathroom in here. Jetted tub. TV. Double vanity sink in here. Tons of light. This is actually great light to put your makeup on. I mean, wonderful. Cathedral ceilings. You do have speakers throughout the house. You have a private pooper and even a place to sit your phone. You know we all take our phone into the bathroom today. They actually say that's very bad for you, but we do it. So, closet here for your linens. And if you want to iron, we left an ironing board. And a huge closet. Again, I would Closet Factory this out. I really should be getting paid for Closet Factory. I mean, YouTube, pick me up. Closet Factory, where's my money? Chop, chop. Kidding. Not kidding, but kidding. So this is beautiful. Imagine having your wine just sitting here. Just gorgeous. This TV is staying. So here is your walk-up attic if you need it. I don't know how in this house you would need the extra space. Huge bedrooms. I love all of the space. Another TV, staying. Huge bedroom. There was tons of furniture in here. I was here when the furniture was here. Nice size closet here. So we have tons of space. It is freezing in this house. The HVAC works fabulous, I'm just going to tell you. So another great bathroom here. So double sinks. This is really always great to me. So there are 4 freaking bathrooms in this house. You cannot tell me you need any more bathrooms in this house. It's only 5 bedrooms. 4 bathrooms? Come on. Another great bedroom. This is a great bedroom for that older teenager because you have a huge closet here. Huge. And then here you have a full bath. So in here you've got the full bath. And then you have the sink area here. Painter got a little bit of stuff on there. So, and then TV stays. Anywhere you see a TV, that is staying. So, another closet here. Told you, tons of storage. Tons of storage. That's the theme, tons of storage. So, down here, this room, again, freaking huge. So, huge room. So, TV stays, closet here, scuttle here, screens there. I hate screens in windows, so you'll see my houses usually don't have them in them because it makes them ugly. I know there's people who like to open their windows, but I mean really, it's hot as Haiti here. Why in the world would you need them? In the spring, there's yucky pollen. Ugh. We have like, what, 2 weeks that you could actually open your windows. Why the heck would you have screens in them? So we're coming down the stairs and we are going, oh, hold on. How would I forget one of my favorites? Because this freaking laundry room is amazing. So you have a mop sink in the garage, but you have one here too. You have a huge, your laundry area is great. So you have the nice place for your washer dryer. You have your place to hang up your clothes. And your place to put all your stuff is beautiful. It's not ugly. It's not wire shelves. No more wire shelves. For those of you who are not my age, you probably don't remember the no more wire hangers. I always say no more wire shelves. But this house is absolutely stunning. See if we can get outside without the lawn mowing people. Yep, sounds good. Okay. I mean, ooh. This is one of the places I would spend most of my time. You can hear the cicadas right now. Again, TV is staying. You have these beautiful blinds that you can come down if it's a hot day and the sun's coming in. But this porch is just awesome. So you have a nice screened-in porch back here. I mean, just imagine sitting out here in, one of those hot days. But we're nowhere near done with this because this backyard is amazing. So you come out here and you are grilling it up. So you can uncover or cover this. This is the sunshade. And then you have the beautiful granite through here. You have your fridge. You have your sink here. You have your Fire Magic grill here. You have your griddle here. And this, all of the water comes and goes down here. But this is a real wood burning fireplace. And I don't care what time of the year it is. You could be out here just relaxing. And the bar, this area, I would use this so much. I would sit out here all of the time. This backyard is unfreaking believable. The size of this backyard is unreal. The fence on this backyard is unbelievable. He did this so that the dogs couldn't get out, but I absolutely love it. And then the pool is 6 foot deep salt water. You do have a new pump. Everything on the pool is basically new. So there's nobody who can need anything. The pool water is completely ready for you. So come on, let's go. I am not going to jump in it for you. However, I would like to right now. It feels freaking great. Really, really good. This backyard is amazing. You are so private. I do know your neighbors. So they're great. Actually, I know all of your neighbors right here, so they're all great. So you don't have to worry about neighbors. But this is absolute luxury. It does not get any better. If you want it, if you're ready, give me a call. But if you're watching this on YouTube TV, click the QR code. If you're watching this on your mobile device, click the link below. Please make sure that you sign up and you subscribe to my channel for anything additional. That's how you're going to get more of me. Don't you want more of me? Everybody wants more of Betsy. So just make sure you comment below anything that you'd like to hear more of and any questions you have on this house, and I'll be sure to get back to you ASAP. And if you'd like a private tour, you can see my number right here.